Enhance your intelligence with these natural foods in the pursuit of enhancing cognitive function and intelligence. The role of nutrition cannot be overstated. The foods we consume play a crucial role not only in our physical health but also in our mental acuity and brain function. While there's no magic pill for intelligence, certain natural foods have been shown to support cognitive function, memory, focus, and overall brain health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can potentially boost your intelligence and support long-term brain health. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, trout, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These essential fats are crucial for brain health, as they contribute to building cell membranes in the brain and have anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have indicated that regular consumption of omega-3 fatty acids can enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline as we age. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids called anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve communication between brain cells, enhance learning and memory, and protect against oxidative stress. Regular consumption of blueberries, whether fresh or frozen, can contribute to improved cognitive function over time. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, a spice commonly used in curry dishes, contains an active compound called curcumin. Curcumin has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that have been linked to improved memory and overall brain health. Research suggests that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and directly benefit neural tissue, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense vegetable rich in antioxidants and compounds called glucosinolates. These compounds have been associated with preserving brain function and improving cognitive performance. Broccoli is also a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat densely packed into brain cells. 5. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients important for brain health, including copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. These minerals play various roles in brain function, from regulating neurotransmitter activity to supporting nerve signaling. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, making them a great snack for boosting cognitive function. 6. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants, which can improve focus and concentration. The flavonoids, in particular, have been shown to stimulate blood flow to the brain, enhance memory, and provide a short-term boost in cognitive function. However, moderation is key due to its calorie content and potential sugar content in some varieties. 7. Nuts. Nuts, such as walnuts, almonds, and hazelnuts, are excellent sources of healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E. These nutrients are crucial for brain health and may help to improve cognitive function, protect against age-related cognitive decline, and support overall brain health. Incorporating a handful of nuts into your daily diet can provide lasting benefits for your brain. 8. Eggs. Eggs are rich in several nutrients that are important for brain health, including vitamin B6, B12, choline, and folate. Choline, in particular, is essential for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and communication between brain cells. Regular consumption of eggs can support cognitive function and memory recall. 9. Green tea. Green tea contains caffeine and L-theanine, both of which have been shown to improve focus, alertness, and cognitive performance. L-theanine, in particular, has a calming effect that can counteract the jittery effects of caffeine, leading to sustained mental clarity. Regular consumption of green tea may enhance brain function and provide neuroprotective benefits. 10. Avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which contribute to healthy blood flow and lower blood pressure. This helps promote brain health by reducing the risk of hypertension, which is a risk factor for cognitive decline. Avocados also contain vitamin K and folate, which support cognitive function and memory. Conclusion: while incorporating these natural foods into your diet can support cognitive function and brain health, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet overall. A diverse range of nutrients from fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is key to supporting overall health and optimizing brain function. Additionally, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and mental stimulation are crucial for maintaining and enhancing cognitive abilities throughout life. By adopting a holistic approach to health and nutrition, you can nourish your brain and potentially enhance your intelligence naturally.